Fuck y'all.
I said them downtown hoes got that monkey on smooth and them tights had that ass sitting right. Wonder can you ride it like a
Shout out Underground Streetcar. Yeah. Because City connected live and direct. We in this bitch.
What's Satchmo at?
I don't know what Satchmo at, man. Looking for that mud. He probably got a little thing slipping on something. I don't know. We gonna catch him on this bitch second line or somewhere. Underground Streetcar 2, you hear me? Represent with it.
Yo, shout out before I roll out.
Represent, man. Back. Shout out.
Got a face like Gina and a booty like Pam.
It's more than a thrill. I'm feeling this girl.
She was bouncing and shaking. You got money, she make it. She got naked. I put that bitch on Instagram. I met her at the Zulu ball like last Mardi Gras.
What's Satchmo at? What's Satchmo?
Mardi Gras.
Hey, what's Satchmo at?
Man, we looking for Satchmo, man. Satchmo be all around with the steak and everything.
Everybody looking for Satchmo. It's Mardi Gras. Lord knows.
I'ma holler at y'all. I'm out.
All right, Black River.
You ready? We roll. Let's walk. Damn. That nigga be
Instagram, straight flexing. Girl, you know, bitch, I'm looking for you.
You just getting in front of me. You just getting this part, right? Ready?
Huh? Yeah.
Ready? Queen City Connected live and direct, man. We got some new coming at y'all 2013. Everybody on Instagram, so you might as well put it on Instagram.
Put that shit on Instagram.
Believe that. Fine, you put time, how you work it all the time, I ain't lying. I saw it on Instagram. Got a face like Gina and a booty like Pam the Lamb. I put it on Instagram. Put your head on top like you. I saw it on Instagram. It's so straight, they make my head ache. I saw it on Instagram. You work what you do. Put it on
Perfect timing. I put put that shit on Instagram. Swag man, swagged up. I tell her tool it up. First I fuck, then push that bitch on Instagram.
She got a face like Tina and a booty like Pam Dillingham. Now put that shit on Instagram. When another bitch close, try to strike you a pose. I suppose I should put it on Instagram. Say her body is delicious when I finish. Once the dishes is delicious.
Going nowhere, I swear. We gonna hold it down this year. Writing blunts with flares, dancing off into the atmosphere. Tracked out my mind, feeling like I'm out of here.
State becomes reality. Come fly with me, turbo booster.
Yo, you rhyme so-so, and your track ain't deaf.
Aborted your breath, gone in a flash, obliterated to the death. Ashes to ash, evaporated, nothing left. Hiroshima blast, nuclear bomber, professor in his flight class.
Wheezing at the chest from trying to stress. Original thoughts from the mental, which is essential for hip-hop survival. Got underground busting shots and commercial.